1985. Mixtapes are a thing. Live Aid captivates the world. The color purple premieres. Boris Becker wins Wimbledon. Gorbachev becomes the leader of the Soviet Union. And at IKEA, restaurants struggle to always serve customers in a quick and smooth way.
We needed something easy to serve, tasty, and affordable to the many. Quite a challenge, actually. Or as Ingvar Kamprad put it, it's tough to do business with hungry stomachs.
Severin threw himself into the job of creating the perfect IKEA meatball recipe. It involved long and passionate discussions with his colleagues and with Ingvar Kamprad himself. Over the course of 10 months, Severin hardly left the kitchen. He put his heart and soul into finding the right recipe.
Hello, me. This is good.
It took almost a year of hard work until the restaurants could start serving the IKEA version of the Swedish meatball. Every time a new IKEA store opened, people lined up in thousands. And people still do today.
For me, the meatball is so much the IKEA culture. It's convenient, it's Swedish, and pretty much for everybody. And it's still served in all the restaurants in the IKEA stores in the world, joined by a whole family of different kinds of meatballs.
So, that's the story of our tasty icon, the IKEA meatball. Round since 1985,